National Pancake Day. We are giving away free pancakes to everyone who comes in hopes that they'll make a donation to the Children's Miracle Network. I do know our goal is to collect at least $3,000 per store, so that's our goal for today. We have lines out the door all day. When school gets out, all the kids come in.
I guess the first word I would use is warm. They're very warm in my mouth. Fluffy.
They kind of
buttery. Yeah, they're buttery, decadent, delicious.
Yeah.
I got a nice mixture of the blueberry and the strawberry and the old-fashioned syrups. Oops. And it makes for a great combo and a nice little purpley pink color.